20 Adventurous Things to Do in Munnar, Kerala, a travel enthusiast's guide. If you are dreaming of a vacation brimming with adventure, natural beauty, and unique experiences, Munnar, Kerala, is your perfect destination. From heart-pounding treks and wildlife encounters to serene lakeside escapades, Munnar is a paradise waiting to be explored. Let's dive into 20 inspiring activities that will fuel your wanderlust. Wander through the tea gardens. Step into the lush emerald tea estates and let the rolling greenery sweep you off your feet. Join a guided tour to learn how these fragrant leaves transform into your daily brew. Don't miss the opportunity to savor a steaming cup of freshly brewed Munnar tea. It's a sip straight from the heavens. Visit Eravikulam National Park. Trek through the stunning wilderness of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to the endangered Nilgiri Peher. The breathtaking views of rolling hills and misty valleys are a reward worth every step. Hike to top station. Scale Munnar's highest point for panoramic views that stretch all the way to Tamil Nadu. The cloud-kissed landscapes will leave you awestruck and your camera busy. Marvel at the Attukad waterfalls. Feel the roar of cascading waters surrounded by vibrant greenery. This is the perfect picnic spot where nature puts on a stunning show. Explore the Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary. Get up close and personal with an array of wildlife, from grizzled giant squirrels to majestic elephants. A must-visit for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Go birdwatching at Thattekar Bird Sanctuary. Lose yourself in the melody of bird calls as you spot exotic feathered friends in their natural habitat. Trek to Anamudi Peak. Challenge yourself with a trek to South India's highest peak. This adventure is only for the brave, rewarding trekkers with commanding views of endless beauty. Visit the Kurinjimla Sanctuary. Behold the wonder of the Neelkurinji flowers, which bloom in an awe-inspiring purple carpet only once every 12 years. Don't miss this rarity if the timing is right. Experience the Echo Point. Shout into the valley and let your voice bounce back. A quirky, fun must-do adventure in this scenic spot. Relax by Matupeti Dam. Enjoy serene boat rides amidst rolling hills and tea plantations, a tranquil moment to take in Munnar's magical atmosphere. Explore the Blossom Hydel Park. Stroll through vibrant flower beds and scenic walkways. With every step, this park feels like a living painting. Embark on an elephant safari. Feel the thrill of riding on a majestic elephant through Munnar's verdant landscapes. It's an unforgettable once-in-a-lifetime experience. Visit the Tata Tea Museum. Dive into the rich history of tea making in Munnar. Unearth the journey of this beloved brew while sampling some yourself. Take a spice garden tour. Let the heady aroma of spices intoxicate your senses as you explore their fascinating cultivation and learn their ancient medicinal uses. Enjoy a shikara ride on Kundla Lake. Set out on a romantic lake ride amidst the serene surroundings. This activity is a heaven for couples seeking tranquility. Visit the Pothamedu viewpoint. Soak in breathtaking views of tea plantations, valleys, and misty mountain ranges. Each scene is picture perfect. Visit the CSI Christ Church. Admire the historic architecture and brilliant stained glass windows of this peaceful, spiritual sanctuary. Indulge in Ayurvedic treatments. Rejuvenate your body and soul with traditional Ayurvedic massages that promise a healing touch. Go rock climbing and rappelling. Embrace the thrill of conquering rocky heights and descending with exhilaration amidst Munnar's raw landscapes. Try mountain biking. Pedal your way through scenic trails and off-road tracks to truly immerse yourself in the adventurous spirit of this stunning destination. Munnar isn't just a vacation, it's an unforgettable journey packed with adventure, beauty, and soul-stirring experiences. Whether you are scaling peaks, sipping tea, or chasing waterfalls, Munnar invites you to unleash your inner explorer. Start packing your bags and let your adventure begin.